Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to teach you how to divide panel by using system cabinet. So currently we are in system cabinet. First I take out one universal cabinet. Okay, one universal cabinet, and then I press B until this one change icon and select to the panel that you want to divide. Right click, divide panel. So you will see A and B section, which we have the division, and then we can divide the position. So let's say here the total amount is 2382. So let's say this one you want to set as for 1300. So the division will be adjusted. Or if you want to okay, so okay, like that. And if you want to confirm, you can just click confirm and change the material. Okay, so I randomly change to, let's say, glass. So the up here is we can change to another material. So that is the function of division panel, divide panel. Alright, that's all for me. Thank you.